Hello, hope you're having a lovely day today, as always. Today we have a special treat. So I'm going to be doing a writing sprint experiment, trying to see which device I can get the highest word count on. So I'm going to do 20 minutes on my iPad with the keyboard. It's like the Magic Keyboard, so that's what I write most on these days. I'm also going to do the FreeWrite, which is a very expensive writing treat. I also got a new mechanical keyboard for my desktop, so we're going to do that. And then a normal typewriter, silly typewriter, and then finally a quill to see just the baseline, what we're looking at with that tool. So I'm very excited. It'll all be controlled. I'm going to be doing it from the same desk, even though sometimes I write from different coffee shops and things. I'm going to try and be as scientific as possible and keep everything controlled besides the actual device that I'm doing the writing on. So let's get started. All right, that concludes the iPad time. Now this is what I currently write the most on, and I started out with 30,348 words. I ended with 30,750 words, so that was about 402 words added. I did find myself going to OneLook, my favorite online thesaurus, several times, and so I'm curious that with a device that doesn't have access to the internet, if I would, get more writing done, since I would literally just be putting words on page the entire time. But, maybe that'll be at a sacrifice of quality. Of course, that's not quite as measurable, so we're just going to look at total word count. But that was a pretty good first go, and let's get to the next one. All right, number 2 done. This time I have 587 words done. I feel like it's pretty good. I ran into a few situations where I wanted to find a different word or needed to replace it, but I just put replace in all caps and then kept going, which I think is far faster than finding things on OneLook, although sometimes it is fun to look at the different synonyms and words that I might use. So that's number 2. Definitely save time not being able to access the internet. I'm not sure how I feel about the keyboard, but I will have a much better comparison when I try out my mechanical keyboard, which is extremely different. I might take a little break though and go write from a coffee shop with a friend. So let's go do that, and then we'll come back to the comparisons. Okay, it's the next day, so not completely controlled, but I think it's better because I'll have more energy to give it my best go. Our next contender is my new mechanical keyboard. Now, I'm not a big keyboard nerd. I don't really know a lot about them, but I have really been enjoying this. One of my friends is really into it, and so she convinced me to get one. So I know I can type pretty fast, like a little over 100 words per minute on this, but I don't know how that's going to translate to a sprint. So let's see. All right, just finished writing with my mechanical keyboard. I got about 549 words in the 20 minutes. I looked onto OneLook and had a few little detours, so definitely not as streamlined as the FreeWrite experience. But overall, I'm pretty pleased. I didn't feel like I was typing that fast or going particularly quickly, but I guess it just kind of kept amassing. It always turns out that I let the timer go, and then I look at the timer, and whenever I look at the timer, it's like 1 minute left, and I blink and I feel like it's already over. So it's kind of crazy how fast writing sprints go. Especially, I definitely could make it longer, but I wanted to try and keep it as short as possible to get through as many devices as I could. So that was pretty good. I'm really pleased with the results. I don't know how often I'll keep this set up, although I do think when I'm home it's pretty good. But I do like to go to coffee shops and get a change of scenery a lot, and so that's why the iPad and the FreeWrite are a little bit better for that. But I was really pleasantly surprised. I don't often write on this desktop, so that was good. All right, next one. typewriting done. If we're being technical, I only did 10 minutes, but I think that's enough to extrapolate. So I'm just going to count up these words and then multiply by 2 to see what I would have gotten in 20 minutes. It was fun. It is a good exercise. I see why some writers do it so that they can be more precise with their word choice, and there's a little bit more weight or cost to every given word. But I'm not sure if I'm going to implement this into my daily routine. So let's zip up and then I'll count the words and come back. Okay, to get this 1 page of words in 10 minutes, it was 150 words on the dot. So that would be about 300 words in 20 minutes, which is lower than the other devices, but surprisingly not as low as I had expected. So that was a fun little exercise. And now we're going to go even further back in time with something I have never tried before. I do not have high hopes, but we'll see how this goes. The quill went surprisingly well. Besides a few ink blots and taking a little bit of time to get used to the cadence of writing a little bit until it empties and then refilling and getting the right hand positioning, once I got into the flow of things, it went really fast. And it felt like it was going really fast. It felt like it was going far faster than typewriter, but turns out it wasn't actually that much more. It was like 100 more words. So within the 10 minutes, I got 197 words, which multiplies to 394 words in 20 minutes. Of course, I'm going to have to now type this up, and so there is that time to things, but it was overall way more enjoyable. Besides, I also got so much ink staining my hands. So besides that, it was very fun, and that is our last one. The results are in. So shockingly, or maybe not shockingly, the free write had the highest word count at the end with 387 words. Then came the desktop with my mechanical keyboard at 549 words, the iPad at 402 words, the quill at 394 words, and finally the typewriter at 300 words. This was really fun and honestly kind of inspiring. My key takeaways are that I think I'm going to start using my free write again more. I had abandoned it a little bit because I'm like, why do I need this when I have my iPad, especially if I'm going to carry both to a coffee shop? But I just write so much on that. It's kind of crazy. And yes, it is very expensive, so this is not a judgment on whether it's worth the money or not. But overall, this was really fun to do, and I think next time I might try doing all of them, or at least the portable ones from a coffee shop, and evaluating it. But let me know what you think. Which one was your favorite to watch? Is there anything how's your writing setup, and is there anything you're considering changing or testing to see if you can improve your writing sprints? I'd love to know. Let's chat down in the comments. All right, see you in the next one.